In this video, you'll learn how to read a variable from a file in Ubuntu. This is useful when you want to store settings, like names or passwords, in a separate file. Then you can load them when needed. Let's start with a simple example. Create a file called myvars.txt. Inside that file, write this line, myname =Alice. This line means we are setting a variable called myname and its value is Alice. Save the file. Now open your terminal. In the terminal, type this command, source myvars.txt. This command reads the file and loads the variable into your current terminal session. To check if it worked, type echo $myname. You should see the word Alice printed on the screen. That means the variable was loaded correctly. This method works only if the file contains valid shell variable assignments. The format must be name =value with no spaces around the equal sign. If you run this in a script, it works the same way. Just make sure the file exists and is safe to read. That's how you read a variable from a file in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.